We all know that HO scale and the slightly larger double O scale are the most popular scales in model railroading. But there is one place where, if you are looking to get into model railroading, that N scale beats HO scale hands down. And that is having a manufacturer like Kato Precision Railroad Models. Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I am drinking some more of that Caribou coffee. Really good stuff here. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can put that in the comments below. And who knows, you might see your comment on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. For those who don't know, Kato is a model railroad company that builds HO and N-scale model train products. They focus primarily on N-scale though, but we'll talk about their HO scale offerings later. Kato's subsidiary, Kato USA, handles the North American market. Kato is unique among railroad companies, as its product make entry into model railroading significantly easier. Let's begin with their starter sets. These DC starter sets come with a locomotive, several cars, a loop of track, a re-railer, and a power pack. The difference with these starter sets is that the locomotive is the exact same quality of their other locomotives, and that goes for the rolling stock as well. For example, this ALC 42 Charger Superliner Amtrak starter set, when you open it, you get the exact same locomotive and rolling stock from their other sets. They even come in jewel cases. The locomotive is DCC ready and compatible with a drop-in decoder. The track is Kato Unitrack, which I consider the top-tier in-scale track with attached roadbed. My entire layout is Kato Unitrack. So this set puts you pretty far ahead in terms of getting started in the hobby. When running the train in a loop isn't enough anymore, this is where Kato really shines. Kato has a whole slew of add-ons to make your railroad empire dreams a reality. Let's start with adding track. Kato has track packs that will add entire desired elements to your track. There are two main varieties, the Master and Variation track sets. These are denoted by the M or V in their designation. M1 and M2 are track sets with power packs. So if you already have locomotive and rolling stock, these are perfect. M1 is a loop of track and M2 has a passing siding on it. Then we get into the variation sets. There are 14 total sets, 7 single track and 7 of their double track variations. I have V2 right here, which is a viaduct set that introduces a bridge, but there are many more. Want to add a passing siding? Get a V1 set. Need a yard? Get the V3 set. A set of sidings? V4. You see what I'm getting at. In the double track variations, use Kato's double track unitrack with super elevated curves and concrete ties. One thing I love about the variation sets is they allow you to buy components for a layout in large chunks that are pre-made to fit and add on to other parts. It means that if you want a temporary setups like this one I set up in my kid's playroom, it is pretty easy to do. Another track set type they have are the CV or compact variation sets, and these have ultra tight radii. There are 3 CV sets, a loop, a passing siding, and a figure 8. These have ultra compact radii that not every train can run on, but they can allow you to build a layout in a more compact area if you're tight on space. So there are plenty of options for adding onto your set to turn into a layout. But what about more trains and rolling stock? Well, Kato has a bunch of options for this, and many that are truly unique. My personal favorite are the trackless sets. These include a locomotive and a few pieces of rolling stock. There are many different options for these, and 2 main tiers. There are the ones geared for the entry level, such as these Amtrak sets, which you have seen me use a while back, and there's also freight train sets for these as well. The second tier is the collectible sets. Some of these come in these bookshelf cases, just like this. The entire train is in this little bookshelf case. There are quite a few, including this one, the Silver Streak Zephyr, the Chicago 400, the 20th Century Limited, and the Hiawatha right now. If you're looking for sets of rolling stock, you can buy things like this 8-car set of hopper cars. This is one of the entry-level ones. You also have Gunderson Well cars for intermodal trains and more, plus several passenger sets, including the Union Pacific Excursion train for the big boy. Speaking of that, they even offer modern steam engines for modern excursion trains, including the Big Boy 4014, which has just recently come out, and several others. Kato has another line of products called the Pocket line, which are super small locomotives and rolling stock sets. You've seen me use a couple of these. The most common is the little steeple cab locomotive that you have right here. This is the most affordable in-scale locomotive on the market in the US right now. You can find this for as low as $36 new, and it runs great. It uses the same motors as the Kato Big Boy, albeit it just has one motor instead of the Kato Big Boy's two. In addition to all of this, Kato offers a big line of locomotives and rolling stock to continue to grow your collection. They even have some stuff for you HO scalers too. They offer many HO scale track sets with an HV designation. Their HO unit track is code 83, by the way. They also have a limited line of locomotives like this Amtrak P42 right here and some rolling stock. Now, at this point, this is probably sounding like a straight up commercial for Kato, but I really do believe this about this company and how good it is for N-scale. One of my main goals for this channel is to show people how to get started in model railroading and kind of give them some guidance so that they can get into the hobby that we all love. And if you're starting in N-scale, it's pretty hard to argue against starting with Kato. Other companies, especially in Europe and the UK, make things like track expansion sets in HO scale, but the amount of products in the ecosystem that Kato has can get your model railroad going quicker and easier. And when you're ready to advance, they have more options to expand. All this, and I haven't even mentioned the fact that the T-Track modular standard is based on Kato Unitrack. And I love T-Track modules. My whole new layout that I'm working on is T-Track. There are many ways to get started in model railroading, and there are many terrific brands. I love a lot of different brands of model railroading products. Kato is just one of the great paths to get into the world's greatest hobby that we all love. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.